Hi everyone, my name is Tamara Pasquale. I decided to go ahead and record my crosswalk template. I thought it would be easier for me to explain my idea a little bit better with detail and some images to show you what I'm talking about versus just writing. The professional standard that I chose was Standard 2, Family, Teacher, Partnerships, and Communication Connections. I focused specifically on 2B, collaborate as partners with families and young children's development and learning through respectful, reciprocal relationships and engagement. Recommended practices: know, understand, and value the diversity of each family. Use such knowledge to tailor and create respectful, responsive, and reciprocal relationships. Communicate and engage with families about the development of their young child. I did paraphrase and take ideas from NAIYC professional standards to come up with my idea of the recommended practices. My practice is actually something that I do use in the class currently, and it will be something that I continue to use as long as the technology is available. I did notice that the professor this week posted a video, and it is the idea that she had. She wanted a two-way communication journal, and I noticed that she mentioned that she wasn't sure how that would work with families who maybe speak other languages. Well, the thing that I use in the classroom is an app called Remind, and Remind is great because it can translate into hundreds of languages, and you can specifically pick to tailor the app to your home language. So if I were to send a message to the family, it translates that message into their language, and then they can communicate back with me, and it will translate that into my preferred setting. So my practice: I will create a welcome letter that introduces myself and states my mission of building a flowing form of communication between home and school. I will inform the parents that my goal is to create a partnership that focuses on the development and growth of their child. I will provide a link to the app called Remind. This app is a two-way communication that allows teachers to translate messages into dozens of languages. A class tablet will be provided near the sign-in sheet for parents that don't have access to internet to feel free to use this tablet to check messages, updates, and respond back in their preferred language. I wanted to go ahead and show you what this app looks like. So here is the Remind app. It can be downloaded onto any type of iPhone, Android, or tablet. Remind allows teachers to translate messages into dozens of languages. However, it can go even further than that by sending PDFs, photos, and even voice clips. With this app, you can send messages to individuals or groups. The later option could be handy for class-specific updates. So thank you for listening in on my professional crosswalk. Hope you guys have a great Sunday. But before I go, I realized that I must show you my references. I did use a few this week. And I just wanted to go ahead and end with the fact that I think this is such a great way to bridge gaps between home and family and build those strong relationships and partnerships, because communication is key, and it's great when you can tailor it to a family's home language. There is a lot to be learned through this type of communication. Thanks again for watching.